Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on Google Pixel Fold. On this device we have, of course, a Google Lens feature, so it's very easy and simple. Open the Google Photos app and now choose the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one for example. Now click on the Google Lens icon and hold process searching automatically, and we are looking for similar or the same object from the photo in the Google Picture database. You can also change the searching area to look for something more specific. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.